Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by placing your stainless steel pan on medium heat and preheat for 2 to 3 minutes so the metal becomes evenly warm from edge to center. Check readiness with the water bead test. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of water and watch for small beads that glide. That indicates proper temperature. If the water immediately evaporates or smokes, lower heat. If it just sits, increase heat slightly. Aim for a shimmering surface, but no smoking before adding fat or eggs to prevent sticking. After the pan passes the water bead test, add 1 tablespoon of neutral oil or butter and allow it to heat until it shimmers or the butter foams gently. Meanwhile, crack 2 large eggs into a room temperature bowl and whisk until yolks and whites are uniform. This promotes even cooking. Pour the eggs into the shimmering fat and immediately reduce heat to medium-low to avoid overbrowning. The combination of sufficient hot fat and lower cooking temperature prevents protein bonds from gripping the steel. Once eggs enter the pan, let them set undisturbed for 20 to 30 seconds so a thin cooked layer forms, which releases from the steel. Then use a silicone spatula to gently scrape and fold, moving the eggs from the edges toward the center in soft strokes. Continue folding for about 2 to 3 minutes total until curds are soft. Remove from heat when slightly underdone because residual heat finishes cooking. Finish with a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of cold butter stirred in for shine and creaminess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.